So Karan, as far as you're concerned, this obviously is a big move forward. Do you see yourself becoming a studio now completely and holding on to the IP that you're creating and therefore being able to monetize that and building value for the long term?
Absolutely, and the idea, of course, so the good thing is that, we have, the IP has been a huge part of, our valuation as well, built over, a large period of time with all the films that we've done. We've held very strongly onto our IP for everything that we've done. The real issue sometimes were because of the funding that you had to always partner with an existing studio on the bigger and larger films. And with that, even when we made big hits, we were always sharing the profit. In this scenario, it gives us the opportunity of actually increasing and enhancing our profitability by owning the film entirely. But yet, there will be those massive Brahmastras that we will make that will need the support of a studio. If I make a film that is over 250 crores, 200, 300 crores, it's not possible to fund that totally at our stage even now. But yet, it's the middle budget film where the cost to profit is super high. Those are the films that you can actually fund entirely on your own, and you can enjoy and reap the benefits of that big breakthrough profit that is to happen. Because I believe the real bread and butter, the real money comes from that middle budget film. Because in the big budget films, while you might make that money up, and it's a large journey to cover that money, and then, the cost of capital, and then the cost of P&A, the margins are not very large. But when you strike it in a 65 to 80 crore window film, and you really hit the large number, that is the film I'm chasing. So more than the tentpole film, I'm chasing the middle budget film that gives me a larger return.
Because they're the revenue multipliers that much more when
everybody
when
thinks bigger the film, bigger the money made. It's not always true. Yeah. Because bigger the money spent is also the bigger, larger journey to recovery, So that's what we do. And then the verticals that we are in the near future going to make some announcements about verticals that we're going to begin. And we do hope that everyone eventually wakes up to the fact that we now truly mean business.